Yo, what's up? It's your boy Waleed coming at you. And I really debated making this video. Really because I didn't want to be, I just didn't want to make one of these type of videos right now. I just want to concentrate and just give them value and what everybody can do on their own and from their current standpoint. But I got hit up with a message on how can I increase my YouTube channel, how can I increase my YouTube profits and whatnot. You know, there's always one person, and there's always everybody who wants the fast track way of getting it done. And I hate to say it, the best way to speed up your YouTube journey, video marketing journey, is pretty much follow somebody or learn from somebody who's already been through the trenches and has already acquired the goal. I hate to say it, but that's just true. I mean, you can go through your own, incur your own stumbles, steps, falls, or learn process, or you can get to somebody who can streamline you straight to where you're trying to get in half the time in some cases. So, my great friend, he did that. He puts out a video every day, does the targeting. Each video he gets, like the first day he uploads it, it's get 500 plus views, and he's making money off of it every day, and making good residual money off it, good AdSense money on it, good ad money, good affiliate money off it. And pretty much what he did was he did his journey, documented it, and he made a nice, well-developed course on it. It's called the YT Maximizer, or YouTube Maximizer. It's a great course. It got great bonuses, and it's a benefit. And a few people have taken it, and they have gotten some good results. And pretty much, it got them to their YouTube goal and conquest quicker and faster. I can easily tell you, put out a video a day, share it on every social media channel you got. Make sure you have a keyword or a long tail keyword that you're ranking for, and voila, over time you'll get there. But he got some things, and he got some tricks, and he got some tools that sped him up and got him there quicker. No lie. So if that's your main goal, if that's what you're trying to do, I advise you to go get this course. All right, it's on you. Other than that, like this video, share this video, comment below, let me know something. Y'all take it easy and subscribe to the channel. Peace.